Prophecy comes packed with a standard Spark library. You can browse through hundreds of native functions to find what you need. But often, standard functions aren't enough. You might need custom logic or a third-party library to handle specific data challenges. In Prophecy, you aren't limited to the defaults. You can extend your environment by adding custom dependencies to your project, bringing in the full power of the Python ecosystem. Dependencies are managed at 2 levels. Pipeline dependencies are scoped to a specific workflow, while project dependencies serve as the default for every workflow in your project. To add a new one, simply select your source. While Scala and Maven are supported, most Python users will pull from PyPI. Just name your dependency, provide the package name, and specify a version number if required. Once your dependency is added, you can utilize it within a user-defined function, or UDF. In this example, we've created a noise generator. Within the UDF editor, we import our new library and define our logic. This function is now ready to generate pseudo-random signals. When you connect to a cluster, Prophecy automatically checks for missing libraries. With one click, Prophecy installs the library directly to your Databricks cluster. This ensures your interactive testing environment perfectly matches your production environment. Now that we're connected, let's run the process. We've integrated our user-defined function, UDF, directly into this subgraph. We see here that we've got an X and a Y going from 1 to 10 in a grid. This generates a custom signal based on our UDF logic. Now, let's look at how to export this for use in other projects. To share these innovations, enable Package Hub publishing in your project metadata. This turns your custom gems, subgraphs, and functions into a shared library for the whole team. Other teams can now find your project in the hub. They can add it as a dependency to their own work, dragging and dropping your custom subgraphs without rewriting a single line of code. Version control is built in. When you release an update to your library, Prophecy notifies all dependent projects. Users are prompted to update at their convenience. Once they accept, Prophecy recompiles the pipeline to verify the new version. This is how you build a scalable, consistent, and extensible data ecosystem. Thanks for watching.